PEAK relies on its outstanding comprehensive performance in transportation, aerospace, electronic information, energy, and industrial, medical, and health fields, has achieved extensive applications, especially in electronic products and semiconductor components, with its excellent electrical insulation performance, processing and chemical stability, and high temperature and corrosion resistance. Therefore, it is often used to make 300mm wafer carriers, CMP holding rings, wafer suction cups, film connectors, printed circuit boards, high-temperature connectors, and selection plating rings and other important parts. The one I'm holding, it is an electronic connector made of PEAK material. Its excellent insulation performance ensures no leakage. Meanwhile, in corrosive liquid and gas environments, it also shows excellent tolerance. The high purity and strength of PEAK polymers, allowing in a more compact connector design. It can produce thinner and thinner wall sections. It can also perform well even in small spaces. It can also easily handle fluids common in the oil and gas industry, such as seawater, mineral oil, silicone oil, and hydraulic fluids. It is worth mentioning that our company's Pure Resin Granules G Series is the ideal choice to meet the above requirements. Its uniform particles, low gel content, and few impurities, ensuring the excellent quality of the product.